Operation of the multifunctional water preparation device, model PVVK-1. Preparing the device for operation at the initial stage. Boil the filter elements in citric acid solution for 20–25 minutes for 1 liter of water, 1 tablespoon of citric acid. This preventive procedure of filter elements boiling will be necessary to carry out at least 1 time every 2 or 3 weeks, depending on the intensity of use of the device and the initial quality of poured water. And also, after every 5 or 6 cycles of water purification, it's necessary to unscrew filter unit with filters and rinse thoroughly with running water. Caution! To avoid burns after boiling, cool thoroughly and rinse filter elements under the water jet. Remove excess water by pressing filters like this. Install filters in the filter unit. When installing a lid with filter elements attached to it, make sure that there is a sealing gasket. Tighten the lid with filters strictly according to the thread until it stops, and slightly span by a special wrench. Fill the source water through the funnel lid to the water level mark. The temperature of the water for treatment in the PVVK-1 device should be not lower than 18 or 20 degrees by Celsius. The water is filled in and ready for treatment. For example, let's measure one of the most important indicators of water – oxidation reduction potential. Connect the plug of the device's power cord to the 220 volts socket. On the button with the operating mode indicator, the LED will light up, flashing light, which indicates the supply voltage and the beginning of the treatment process. After the treatment time has elapsed, 3 beeps will sound. If you are distracted and did not hear the sound signals, then you can focus on the LED located on the button. At the end of the treatment, it will light constantly. The sludge raised to the surface is removed with a sludge collector cone. Press the stem of the cone down until it stops. The sludge is poured into the sludge collector. The main sludge was removed from the surface of the water, but its insignificant part still remains. Next, the water will be completely treated by filter elements. We measure the ORP after water treatment in the device. To continue draining process, press button again until you hear the sound. The pump starts working. The water is drained. To stop, press the pump operation button 1 time. The water is drained. The device will turn off by itself. Remove the plug from the socket.